The war on zebra mussels. The problems with this species and what to do about them. When we think of human actions damaging the environment, we often think of pollution, excessive use of resources, or destruction of habitats. But introducing new species into areas where they don't naturally live can also be destructive. One such invasive species is the zebra mussel. Zebra mussels live in fresh water and are native to the Caspian and Black Seas, which are found in between Europe and Asia. These seas are less salty than most, so a freshwater species like the zebra mussel can live there and in nearby lakes. By latching onto ships, the mollusks have spread to much of Europe and North America, causing a problem for humans and the environment alike. When species are abruptly introduced to a new ecosystem, they often disrupt the balance of that ecosystem, and zebra mussels are no exception. They feed by filtering phytoplankton and other nutrients out of the water when they pass through their shells, and they do so with striking efficiency. This means that when zebra mussels arrive in a new area, they consume so much phytoplankton that other species that also eat the same food source struggle to get a sufficient amount of food. Since those other creatures, in turn, are a food source for still other species, the zebra mussels invariably harm everything in the lake. Zebra mussels also create problems for humans because they multiply so quickly. They often grow on objects made by humans, and clusters of zebra mussels can prevent these objects from functioning. For example, zebra mussels have been known to obstruct the flow of water through pipes, which can prevent communities from getting clean drinking water. Zebra mussels attach to these objects firmly enough that they can prove difficult and expensive to clean. Removal of zebra mussels is incredibly difficult, so only by stopping them from spreading can people limit the trouble they cause. Governments of areas affected by these mollusks are taking steps to prevent their spread. But since they spread mostly by privately owned boats, the owners of these boats are responsible for taking their own preventive measures. While zebra mussels usually reach new locations by attaching to boats or other objects, they also produce larvae that are often too small to see. If these larvae end up in a body of water without zebra mussels, they can start a new zebra mussel infestation. Thus, boats and their motors need to be drained before being moved from one lake to another, lest they carry these larvae to a place that did not already have zebra mussels. Doing this not only helps protect the environment, but also prevents damage to infrastructure. Talk about it. Do you know of any other invasive species? What are they, and how do they spread? Do you think that humans are responsible for the spread of zebra mussels and other invasive species? Why or why not?